Gate.io clamps down on rumors following Twitter upheaval over multi-chain. Cryptocurrency exchange Gate.io disputed rumors of insolvency after tweets were sent alleging a connection between it and multi-chain. We would like to clarify that our operations are running healthily, withdrawals are functioning properly, and there are no issues with our operations or withdrawals as rumored, Gate.io said in a statement on Wednesday. Twitter posts showed troubles at Multichain, a bridging platform for crypto that could have a bearing on Gate.io, according to Bloomberg News. Multichain CEO Zhaojun was unable to be contacted, according to Multichain's Twitter account. In the past 2 days, the Multichain protocol has experienced multiple issues due to unforeseeable circumstances. The team has done everything possible to maintain the protocol running, but we are currently unable to contact CEO Zhaojun and obtain the necessary server access for maintenance, the bridging protocol said. Unpacking the past 24 hours. Multichain's tweet was retweeted by Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, yesterday, and many others. Blockfence, a firm that protects against scams and fraud, retweeted it as well and told people to withdraw or transfer assets. Nansen reported $131 million in net outflows from Gate.io on Ethereum as of Thursday morning. In the last 24h, there's $131 million net outflow from http://Gate.io on Ethereum. To put it in perspective, their 7-day net outflow is $144.8 the analytics firm said. Multichain has not tweeted since Wednesday about the situation. Gate.io said in its Wednesday statement that it is an established and well-operated exchange. We remain committed to providing users with secure, efficient, and reliable digital asset trading services, the firm said.